What's up, guys? Welcome back. David Kim-MacKinnon here with eXp Realty, and we got another property tour. We're here in the heart of White Rock, and we're gonna check out one of my colleagues' listings that's literally waterfront. Now, you know those listings that they say steps to the beach, but it's about 5-10 minute drive? This is not one of those. We're literally across the street from the water. So I'm really excited to show this property to you, but first things first, I need my coffee. Let's go. So obviously we have to stop by for some coffee, first and foremost. But how can you not have a coffee with this gorgeous view? So I'm really excited to talk to Ada. Tell us a little bit about the area, the White Rock area.
Well, White Rock is a really nice area. You've got lots of waterfront views here, right? Like you got a really nice waterfront view, and you're close to the border as well too. Lots of boutique shops, restaurants, really good restaurants in here as well too. Yeah.
Okay, Ada, you mentioned restaurants. Do you have any local favorite restaurants that you've been to?
For sure. My go-to spot is Yuli's. And the reason why I love that place is because they have a patio seating and they allow dogs there as well too. Food is amazing.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and then with our friend Jerry, he likes to go to Zapoteca, which is like a Mexican restaurant.
Oh, Jerry drives all the way from downtown to Surrey to come and get Mexican tacos. That speaks loud. Shout out to our boy Jerry in Toronto. All right, if I'm a buyer planning to buy in White Rock, what kind of price point am I looking at?
Well, it depends on what you're looking for. You like condo wise. I think like my listing right now is a condo. It's gonna be listed for under 1.1 million for a waterfront view, a corner unit as well too. And most condos in White Rock, I would say, is about, if it's a 2-bed, 2-bath, it's about around that price. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm excited here. Is there anything else that someone who's moving to White Rock should know?
I think it's more for the price point, right? Like you can get so much more in White Rock and South Surrey here, and you're so close to the water. You're close to the border as well too. If you want to go down to the States and get yourself some.
How long is the drive to the States?
To the border, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes from here.
What? Damn.
Yeah.
That's quick.
Yeah.
Quick shopping? Boom.
Yeah.
Was it Seattle?
Yeah, you can go to Seattle. Bellingham is only half an hour from here.
Wow.
Go to Trader Joe's there and Costco there if you want. That's where I usually go with my husband. With townhouses, usually the price range is around 800, 900,000 right now.
Yep.
I think it also depends if it's a newer build or an older build as well too. I think that's the average right now. For a house, it's about I think you can find something for even 1.5 if you want to.
Wow, for a detached home?
Yeah.
Very nice. Driving up here, first of all, it's gorgeous. And I also noticed there's so much land and there's so many beautiful properties.
Right, yeah.
So many gorgeous homes. Yeah, I really like the vibe here in White Rock, for sure. All right, so we're caffeinated, ready to go. I'm really excited to tour this condo.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's check it out. I thought you would never come.
Who are you? So there's 3 levels here in this building.
Oh, okay.
And if you look over here, we're this unit over here.
Yeah, no glasses.
It's a really one-of-a-kind unit. Because if you look here, it's
it's a corner unit?
Corner unit, and it's like curved like this.
Yeah.
So there's only this floor and then the 3rd floor that's also like that.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, Ada.
Yeah.
Show us around.
So this is a 2-bedroom plus den and a 2-bathroom condo. It's a corner unit. So on your right here is basically the master bedroom.
Whoa. Yeah. This place is newly renovated.
It's new, yeah. So they've done full renovations to this unit here. Spent over $100,000 for renovations.
Yeah, you can see that. It's pretty much totally renovated.
Yeah. And even like the closet space, they added pop light to it. So it looks really nice.
Nice. I like this master. It's very functional.
Yeah.
It's a nice open concept, and you got lots of storage here. You got storage to your right, you got storage to your left, and if you have a wife, this is pretty much all her storage.
And look at this view here. Like every day you can wake up to this view. How nice would that be?
What a nice view. This is beautiful. Literally waterfront. Like I said, it's across the street, not steps to the beach. It's literally right there.
Wait until you see the living room. It's really nice too.
Nice. Oh, and it has a walkway to the patio.
Yes.
It's very bright in here, bright and airy. It gives very happy, positive, uplifting ocean vibes.
It gives more like a beach.
Yeah.
Beachy, you know, condo vibe, beach condo vibe.
It's definitely like a beach house,
Yeah.
a beach condo vibe.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at this view here.
Wow. First of all, the renovations look beautiful.
Yeah.
It's a really like new unit.
Nice and clean, quartz countertops.
Of course.
And then it goes all the way up to this backsplash as well too, so easy to clean.
Yes. Brand new appliances. You still got the warranty sticker right there. Wow.
And this living area-
Whoa, hold on. Is this a sheep?
Yeah. It can come with the home if you make a great offer on it.
Everything has a price.
So yeah, you've got you've got this living space area here.
Views!
Super nice views.
What is this? It just opens like an inch?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, just for like a little bit of air. Gotcha. Cool.
Gas fireplace.
Nice. This is so cozy.
Yeah, you can literally just sit here and enjoy the view every single day.
This is really nice for like family gatherings. You guys are all just chilling here. You got a fireplace. You got views. You're right by the ocean.
And this unit is not cookie cutter like a lot of the units, very boxed and everything. This living area, as you can see, is like more curved on the side here. So it just creates more, and like look with all these windows, it just creates a lot of natural light in here. You don't even need to have light.
This is so nice. I just want to hang out here for the rest of the day. Yeah, it's really nice. You could say it's blessed. Bro. All right, show us more.
Yeah.
More of the unit.
Let me show you the second bedroom here.
Okay.
So you got the second bathroom and then the second bedroom over here.
Nice. Spare bedroom is pretty spacious as well.
Yeah, decent size. You could definitely put a queen size bed if you want to.
This is queen size, yeah?
This one I believe is a double. Yeah.
That's a double?
Yeah. So this unit here is
There's
just
one way to
under-
find out.
Is it your bed?
Yeah, it's a double. It's a fucking double. And you got storage?
Yeah, closet space there.
There's a lot of storage space in here as well.
So this unit is just under 1,300 square feet here.
Yeah, it's spacious, very
spacious,
spacious.
Let me show you the den. So the den can also be a third bedroom if you want to, because it's just big enough for it.
Okay.
Currently, they have it like the office space, but then they also have a built-in Murphy bed.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So if you have guests over, right, this can be your office space, and if you have guests over, you can just open this Murphy bed.
Oh, okay.
And
So
someone sleep on
it's a flexible space. It could be a den, it could be extra storage, and it could be a guest bedroom. Love that.
We're home.
What fucking home gym? Squat rack, dumbbell rack, and it has a balcony
It does have a balcony.
with a barbecue, so you can go barbecue.
A lot of the newer condos, like their dens are so small that you can't even do anything in
that's
it, right?
actually pretty spacious,
Yeah.
and it has a door, so
Yes.
it's separate. It's literally like a room.
The only thing it doesn't have is a closet. If it had a closet, then we could call it a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo. Yeah.
But it's definitely a very flexible space. So, well, you don't have that in a condo usually. And of course,
Yeah, have your morning coffees out here, evening,
why
No.
have this view if you can't enjoy it thoroughly?
and have wine o'clock out here.
Of course. Yeah, this is really nice. This is really nice. Can you tell us a little bit more about the building? Is there anything?
So this building here is built in 1997. There's only 3 levels to this condo here. And as I was saying, there's only 2 units that's currently like this. There's only this one on the 2nd floor, and then the one above us on the 3rd floor.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so it's
2 of a kind.
Yes, 2 of a kind. Very rare to come by for sure, with a layout like this, and then.
It's definitely nice when you got a corner unit like this, and it's so spacious and it's so secluded, so you get the privacy feel as well. So I'm pretty sure there's not that many noise complaints over here. It's so peaceful. All right, so that concludes our property tour. Thank you so much for joining us on this lovely tour at this condo at Ada's listing here in White Rock.
So if you want to book your private showing, give me a call.
We're gonna have Ada's contact information in the description below. And as always, feel free to like, subscribe, and follow me for more property tours like this. See you in the next one. This coffee shop's called The White. It's because there's just white people. Hello? 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 Oh, look at the waves.
Under 1.1. So that's how old it is. So this unit here is
There's
just
one way to find out. Yeah, it's double. It's a fucking double. All right, I'm done here. I really want to ride this bike, but I can't. It's pissing me off.
From what?
Huh?
From what?
Pelicans?
Oh. Okay.
Speaking of Peloton. We're caffeinated. I'm really excited to... I fucked up. Funny, yeah, some guy just came over to our table to tell me to take my glasses off because apparently he has trust issues with people with glasses. So I took off my glasses so I could look you guys straight in the eye. You know what I'm saying?